In this video, we'll show you what to do if WhatsApp is not sending verification codes on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is ensure that you have entered the number correctly and selected the right country code. However, if you are still not getting the verification code, tap on this didn't receive a verification code option and then try one of the other options from here. However, if these options are not available or simply not working either, what you can do is head to the settings app on your iPhone. Now go to Wi-Fi. Now turn off Wi-Fi from this menu. Now go back to the previous menu and go to cellular. Now in this menu, turn on cellular data. If it's already on, try to turn it off and then back on again. After that, go to cellular data options. And here make sure that the data roaming option is enabled. If this option is not enabled, you may have trouble receiving the verification codes. Now try requesting a verification code one more time using this try again option and then see if that works. However, if you are still facing the same problem, go back to the settings app again. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. In this menu, scroll down and find messages on the list and then tap on it. Here you can try disabling the iMessage feature, so turn off this toggle. Now scroll down to the unknown senders section and make sure the screen unknown senders option is disabled. Additionally, disable this filter spam as well. Now go to the messages app on your iPhone. Now here check if the verification code appears. If it doesn't, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and then go to the unread section. So this will bring up all the new messages. However, if nothing else works, what you can do is open the App Store on your iPhone and then download a free VPN app like Proton VPN. You can use any VPN app for this. I already have one downloaded, so I'll just open it. Now simply connect your iPhone to the VPN network. Once it's connected, you should see this VPN option in the control center. After that, try requesting a verification code one more time and see if it works. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply remove the SIM card from your iPhone and then insert it on a spare phone or your friend's phone and then check if the verification code arrives on that particular device. If it does, you can simply use that to log into your WhatsApp account and your issue should be resolved.